In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, my dear students of class 9. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. I hope you have covered the previous lecture, and today we are going to initiate another lesson, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. In today's lecture, we will understand the life of Allama Muhammad Iqbal and his works as a politician, as a poet, and his works and his role in the independence of Pakistan. My dear students, however, Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born in 1877 in Sialkot, Punjab. He got his early education from his native town Sialkot, and then he went for higher degree and acquired and received the PhD degree from the Munich University, Germany. So, my dear students, as Allama Muhammad Iqbal, he was a poet, philosopher, and a politician. His poetry, he inspired the Muslim of the subcontinent through his poetry. His contribution in the independence of Pakistan as a politician, he also, in Allahabad address in 1930, he also saw the name of the Pakistan for the Muslim of subcontinent. However, Allama Iqbal Jani was known as a great poet. He was no doubt a great poet, but poetry was only one of his many accomplishments. He was well versed in philosophy, both Eastern and Western culture. My dear students, Allama Iqbal, he wanted to see the separate state for the Muslim of India. He also, in an address in 1930s, said that I want to see the Punjab, Balochistan, Sindh, and KPK as well. So, because in the independence of Pakistan, he also envisioned the name of Pakistan as a separate country for the Muslim of India. So, as I repeat once again, that my dear student, that the Allama Muhammad Iqbal's contribution in the independence of Pakistan, his role, he wrote letters to the founder of Pakistan, Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah, for the creation of Pakistan, for the struggle to take initiative to the independence as well. As I told you the beginning, his birth in Sialkot, his education from the native city Sialkot, and he went for the higher studies to Germany and received the philosophical degree from there. And I also told you that he was a poet and a philosopher as well, and he is known as a national poet of Pakistan as well. So, my dear student, this was a brief description about the life of the Allama Muhammad Iqbal. And as a poet, as a philosopher, and as a politician, his contribution in the independence of Pakistan, he also demanded for the state, for the Muslim of the subcontinent as a separate nation. So, here, my dear students, these are the we are asked to answer these questions. So I will also give the synonyms of the following. Appointment means, however, generally means, particularly. Accomplishment means achievement. Here, historic means related to history. Achievement and accomplishment is the same. Achievement means success. Abroad means to foreign. Historical means related to history. Struggle means achievement. Creation, create karna means making. Justice means justice. Peace. Anxious means worry. Majority means so as a Muslims, Hindus are majority, as a Muslims are minority in the subcontinent. Majority it means to greater in number or amount. Movement, action. Destruction means damage as well. So here use the following words in your own sentences: generally, abroad, struggle, movement, and majority. Okay. So as I told you the synonym of the following words. So now comprehension. Where was Allama Muhammad Iqbal born? He was born in Lahore, he was born in Karachi, or he was born in Sialkot. So now the third one is the correct option. He was born in Sialkot. Why did Iqbal want a separate state for the Muslim of India? So he wanted a separate state so that the Muslim could dominate the Hindu? No, he wanted a separate state because the Muslim of India were a separate nation. So second one is correct. He wanted. So now question is that why did Iqbal want a separate state for the Muslim of India? He wanted a separate state because the Muslim of India were a separate nation. So when did the Muslim demand Pakistan? So here the Muslim demanded Pakistan in 1930, the Muslim demanded Pakistan in 1937, or the Muslim demanded Pakistan in 1940. So the Muslim demanded Pakistan in 1930. So here supplying the missing words or phrases. Allama Iqbal is generally known as a poet of ease. So now poet of ease. He went England for higher studies. So now number third, he was well versed in philosophy, both in Persian and Arabic. So here this is composition, and this is homework for you, my dear students. Say in 5 sentences what you know about the life of Allama Iqbal, and second write 5 sentences on Iqbal's role in the struggle for Pakistan. So you can also go through the lesson and you have to write on it. So the composition is also homework for you. So is all the okay. So now keep in mind, in a brief I would describe you means all students, all who use with the plural nouns. For suppose all the students were present in the class. Is both is also used for two person as well. Both students or both the boys were hungry and wanted food. As this demand shocked both the Hindus and the British alike. Both the sisters went in vain their mother called. Both the sisters means two sisters. The Hindus and the British both opposed the demand. The Hindus and the British both opposed the demand. They both came to see me. They both means two. All means they all wanted a separate Muslim state. Okay. So now we can also use a article, definite article with the all the both the. So you can use these in your sentence as well. So you can also use all with the possessive. Okay, pronoun all his, all my. Okay, both his or both my. You can also use all with possessive. You can also use with all with article as well. Both with article like this. All his means all his efforts were now made. All there you can also. The thief stole all their money. So all my, all, this is the same as you can also use with possessive pronoun. Okay. So here make 5 sentence using all the with the following words: leave, know, elect, start, or believe. Okay, my dear students. So here you can use all the with the following verbs. So what verbs that are given below? Leave, know, elect, start, or believe. So use these with these words all. Okay. This is homework for you. So my dear students, make 5 sentences using both the with the following nouns. So all the and both the are both used with nouns. So keep in your mind, my dear students, that you can also use girls, friends, parents, doctors, brother. This is also homework for you. So use all the and both the as well with these verbs. Complete the following sentence using an appropriate structure from the given list. And this is also homework for you, as both his, all. So keep in mind what verb we have to put in the blanks. For suppose both the parents, okay, or both parents died when he was very young, means both. Both the parents. Okay, like this you have to fill in the blanks by a boy asked verbs as well. So now come to the at the last questions. So as we are asking question, we have not give the complete answer. And we have to use also in conversation question tags. For suppose in short we can say it, for suppose do you pray 5 times a day? So what helping verb you use? So like this you have to use the same helping verb. For suppose do you pray 5 times a day? So yes I do. Yes I do. Because this is short and give the complete sense of the asked questions. When did the plane land? It landed, okay, so on 3 p.m., 4 p.m., what time you have to use in the blanks. When will your brother come? He will come on, so you have to use the time. You are going there or not you? No, I am not. No, I am not, or yes, I am, okay, because this is helping verbs are. So like this in question text you have to use helping verb in short. So this is also a homework for you, my dear students. So the next lecture we will also begin with the role of the woman in the Pakistan movement. Okay. So now into the lecture, what things we learned? We learned in a brief description the life of the Allama Muhammad Iqbal and his role in the politics as a poet and a philosopher as well, and his contribution in the independence of Pakistan as well. And you are given the homeworks and you have to done according to it. And if you have any query or any question regarding this lesson or an exercise, you may ask me or reach me. Thank you, my dear students.